Hello everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing well. In this video, I'll show you how we can use Stan Store for affiliate marketing. This is going to be a very powerful tool for us to use it for affiliate marketing, and you will know exactly why. So here we can see what is Stan's referral program. Earn reoccurring passive income every month. This is what's very interesting about it. As a Stan customer, you will receive 20% of every Stan subscription you generate in perpetuity. This is entirely passive, recurring income for you. Meaning, if you actually refer someone, you'll be able to, if they actually subscribe, I mean, if you refer someone, a friend or whoever it may be, and they actually subscribe and they keep subscribing, as long as they keep subscribing, you will just get every single month 20% of the subscription cost, which is great. So it's not only the first subscription, but every single month. So let's say you refer up to 10 people, you will get the 20% of every single person's subscription cost, which is just amazing. So you can see here, Stan currently has 4 different plans. So you have the opportunity to receive up to $189 for every referral you drive through. Just think about that. And then your referral link, as long as that referral is subscribed basically. So like I said, if you drive someone into Stan Store and they end up subscribing, you will get 20% cut, and it's going to be every single month. So I will show you exactly how to set this up. It's going to be actually very simple. Very simple and easy, straightforward. It's not really going to need much here. So if we just go to our Stan Store, you would obviously need an account. So just go to your Stan Store here, and then you would want to basically go to the more section here. You have your home page, your store page, and all of these views. We want to add a new view. So just go to the plus icon or more, and you will find this section here, which is the referrals section. Just make sure you turn it on. This way we don't really get lost much. You will find it right away. And this is just going to be added to the bottom of the list here. So just go ahead and click on it. And then from here, you will also see the stats. So you can see active referrals, total referrals, and then also the total earnings for these referrals. So what you would need to do is very simple. Just follow these. Share your referral link, which is this one right here. So just make sure you copy it, and then your friends sign up for Stan, which is going to be them subscribing to Stan. Obviously, Stan offers more than just one plan, so it really depends on the plan they go for. And then you will earn a 20% profit share every single month. So just go ahead and copy this, share it with people. So for example, if you're big on social media, make sure to tell them all about Stan Store. They will completely love it because it's a genius idea of Stan Store. You can just go ahead and sell items and so on, link in bio and everything. So try to make people love Stan Store to the point that they actually click on your link and end up subscribing, which will allow you to get the profit. And if they actually find use of Stan Store, which is most likely, they are going to be reoccurring. So every single month, 20% and so on. So it's actually very simple. Again, just go to referrals and then just copy this link and share it. And this is how it's actually going to look like. If somebody just clicks on your link, it's just going to look like a normal Stan Store page here. So it's just going to be stan.store. But you can see here also your username and so on is going to be added. So if somebody just signs up and ends up subscribing from this link, then you will be able, you're pretty much good to go. You will be making the profit. And also there's another method to go about it. So if you don't want to use this referral one, you can just simply go to My Store, add product, and then from here you can just set up the Stan affiliate link, click on that, and you can just add it to your actual link in bio. So you can just go ahead and set it up the way you like, and we could just, obviously this is the link that we want them to click on. You can change how it's actually going to look like. So whether it's going to be a call out, so build your Stan Store, or button, which I prefer. And if you want to just choose how it's actually going to look like, the image, completely up to you. And if you want to change what it says, It's also, again, completely up to you, and we can just click on publish. Now, this is even better because it's just going to be over here, so you don't really have to end up, changing. Let me just add the welcome up top. So we don't really have to be changing, or I mean, sharing our link everywhere. It's actually going to be in our link in bio within our Stan Store, which is great. So if somebody again clicks on that, they will be taken to the page where they will be able to sign up, and if they subscribe, you will get the commission basically. So now, how much will you actually be making? They also show us in this page here, so we can actually see if we scroll down a little bit. So the breakdown here. So these are the 4 different plans. There are going to be 2 plans here, the Creator and Creator Pro, but they can either choose to go for the monthly plan, which you'll be making for the Creator $6 a month per referral. So if you have like 2, it's going to be 12 and so on. And then we also have the Creator Pro. So we will be making $20 a month per person who you actually referred. And if they go for the annual plan, so if it's going to be Creator, you'll be getting $60 per year. So right away, you'll be just getting $60, and then next year you'll be getting another $60 and so on. Or if they go for the Creator Pro, then you will get $189 per year, which is actually great. And then you would want to also set up your Stripe and so on within your Stan Store. So you will need to have that set up in order to get your payouts here. So you can read through it, how many days. It's going to be about 3 to 5 days, business days, in order to actually get it. And if you want to set up your Stripe, it's very easy and simple. You would want to just go to your Stan Store again. And then from here, you will need to go to settings. And in here, you can just go ahead and connect your bank account with Stripe, or you can even add your PayPal if that's what you prefer. As you can see here, connect your bank account via Stripe so you can accept payments from your audience. This is going to both work for products that you'll be selling and also for referrals that you will be getting the commission from. And this is pretty much how to actually use Stan Store for your affiliate marketing. It's actually going to be very simple and easy to do. It's just the only hard part is actually capturing the people and allowing them to like reoccurrently subscribe every single time. But it's not really going to be too difficult because Stan Store really offers a lot. Just go ahead, speak about Stan Store, and they may actually love it from your point of view. And then if they just click on your link here, they will just end up subscribing, and you will just get more and more money as long as they keep subscribing, and more people will be joining and so on. So just go ahead and test it out for yourself. And this is pretty much how we can use Stan Store for affiliate marketing. I hope that you found this video to be beneficial, and hopefully you can just like and subscribe if you want it to be helpful. And thanks for watching.